here is a review. Is it a review or is it just an unboxing? Maybe it's an unboxing of the Samsung what am I saying? The Samsung 128GB EVO Plus Class 10 Micro SDXC with adapter MB MC128GA. So let me open this thing up. If you don't know what an SD card is, please turn off the video right now. If you do, please turn off your ad blocker and click on all my affiliate links and all the good stuff. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I didn't think they delivered this, but I just found this at a neighbor's, so they did deliver it. I ordered 3 of these. Now, I have been using SanDisk forever. I've been using the SanDisk. And I bought a Vantrue. There it is. It's got the little adapter over there. I bought the SanDisk from Costco. I've been buying them for years for all my cameras. Works really good. One of my cameras, when I, with the 4K, even though it's the SanDisk, the fast one, sometimes when and it's a class 10, when I shut off the video, it takes a little bit more time to write to the SD. Not sure. I don't know. I bought them at Costco. They were a good price. They were made for 4K, and like this thing is. So I wasn't really looking to replace and to go to Samsung. So why did I buy the Samsung? I bought a Vantrue dash cam. Vantrue does not like the SanDisk. Now, first off, I don't know why you would design something that does not work on every SD card. SanDisk is made, everybody has a SanDisk. So to say you've got to have a Samsung SD card made no sense at all. And I just didn't do what they said. I'm running a couple Vantrue dash cams, and I'm using the SanDisk. Now, I will tell you one thing. I had a problem with just don't shut off your video. I'm going to talk. It's a long video. I had the dash cam. I had 2 dash cams. One of them stopped working and kept on shutting off. Vantrue told me I needed to get the Samsung card, which I ended up replacing the camera, and I bought the Samsung. I haven't set it up yet. So, but I've got a Vantrue N2 Pro. I'm driving around and the camera keeps shutting off, and I'm saying, why is this happening? Don't tell me that they've got this problem with all of their cameras. Take it in the house, and I look and it says your SD card is full. I forgot to put on the loop recording, which told me right then the reason the camera's shutting off is because it's got an SD problem. So maybe that's what was going on with the first one. The N4, it was shutting off because there was a SD problem. Maybe, maybe not. So I went out and I bought the Samsung SD card. It's no difference in price. Right now, you cannot buy the 128GB anymore from Costco. Now they're selling the 400GB, and I don't think most of my electronics will even write to a 400GB. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. With the SanDisk, I've got some Wise cameras, and they always write to the SD card. And I notice maybe every day or every couple days there will be there's a few seconds where it didn't write to the card, or maybe a minute where it didn't write to the card. Is that because of SanDisk or the camera? I don't know. What else do I want to say about that? So sometimes I'll get a gap where it didn't record. Other times I'll get a gap where it just, the videos on it says the Wise camera recorded it, but then it talks about the cloud. So it didn't record to the SD card at all. Am I having a problem now with the SD cards? I know these things, when you write to them constantly 24 hours a day, you're going to run into problems, and supposedly they're going to wear out. So I went out and I bought 3 of these things. Why? I don't know if they're any better than SanDisk. The price is unbelievable right now. These are $19 a piece. They went up to $20-some, at $22 a piece. I wouldn't put it in the order. I kept it in the cart. It finally dropped to $19.10. I bought it. It's been a little bit lower than $19.10. So if you don't need them right away, track the price, put it in your cart, watch it. It bounced between $19, $21, $22, went right back down to $19, and I bought 3 of them. I looked at some of the comments on online, and they were talking, this was a couple years ago, they were talking about certain buyers, and you got to be careful, make sure that they were legitimate and not fakes out of China, and they told you how to check it, and the color on the edge, and running the programs. I don't think I'm going to have a problem. I can't really believe that the Samsung store is going to be selling bogus SD cards. So that's it, people. The EVO Plus Samsung 128 gig. I bought 3 of them. The price is wonderful. I'm going to use them in my camera. So you're going to say, well, why are you making the video if you haven't tested them out? I made videos on my SD cards from SanDisk before I tested them out. They work. I had a problem, like I said. It's not working good on the Wisecam. It's not working good on one of my 4K cameras. After I shut it off, it takes a little bit longer for it to write. Nice thing about the EVO Plus, it's got a faster write speed than the SanDisk that I have. So that's it. If you want to buy these, there will be an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on it, I'll probably make $10 zillion, and I'll be able to buy a yacht. Have a good new year. Stay well, stay healthy, stay safe. And there you go. SanDisk EVO Plus 128 gigabyte SD card.